What's up, y'all? Good morning, good day, good evening, whatever time it is for you. Hello. I'm going to show you guys how to make some tea with sea moss today. So I got some water boiling. Let me grab that water real quick. Always make sure you got the vibes playing. Alright. Let's see. Grab us a little spoony spoon. Alright. So this is the AXUMOSS Sea Moss Gel right here. This is the purple gel. Some people like the golden. I like using the purple sometimes. It holds bigger percentages of each mineral in there. But let me show you how I make this tea. I got sea moss gel. I got fresh ground up cinnamon powder. True cinnamon too, not the other stuff. Then I got some cloves in here. Add a few cloves in there. I got some chopped up ginger that I keep frozen. That's the best way to use ginger. Got some lime that I'll squeeze in there. Apple is just eat on the side. And then we got the turmeric powder, which is also good. Alright, first thing we do is squeeze out some of this sea moss gel. Most of the time you want this standing in your fridge like this, and you're like, how do you do that if it's all the way flat? You grab it at the top like this, and then you kind of fling it down. So then it gets all the way to the bottom, then you can keep it standing up. But for our purpose, we're going to keep it flat. And you'll open it up, grab this spoon, squeeze out, it's about a tablespoon or more. Put that in there. And then usually I kind of hit it like this to make that gel fall back down a little bit. Now what else? Now the next thing I usually do is squeeze some of this lime in there. Looks like most of it's gone, so I'm gonna have to finger it a little bit, which is cool because this is just for me. No one else is drinking this tea but me. Alright, so this is trash now. Ah yes, you know me, clean freak. Gotta wash my hands. Alright, so now next thing we usually do is toss some cinnamon powder in it. It's all eyeball with me. Sometimes I feel more cinnamon than other days I feel less cinnamon. And then I usually toss about 3 to 4 cloves in there. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Now we throw some ginger in there. Throw that much in there. So I like ginger, so I like anything that's natural that comes from the earth. There's always something beneficial about it for us. Alright, so we did the ground cinnamon, cloves, the ginger. We did the lime that was right here, and then last thing you do is add some turmeric. You never want to add too much turmeric in anything. It'll make your dish or your drink chalky. This is cool. You could use half of this too, but I like turmeric. Alright, next thing you do is pour your boiled water in here. Just pour like 1/4 to 1/3 of it and stir all the ingredients up real nice. So then the hot water will melt that frozen ginger too. But it's no big deal if you use fresh ginger. I suggest not to use anything powdered, like powdered ginger or powdered garlic. There's no power in that. Then you say, how about the ginger? You grounded that up and it's dry. Well, ginger isn't wet. I mean, cinnamon isn't wet when it comes out the ground, it's a tree bark. It's already dry. We haven't really processed this. We just changed the form of it. This, we kind of changed the form of it, processed it, we froze it real quick to keep the nutrition in there. Alright, so now we got half of it mixed all together. Now we're going to mix the rest up. Alright. So usually you want to wait like a minute to let the heat dissipate from the water, because then you're going to put some type of sweetener in here like honey, agave syrup, maple syrup, blackstrap molasses, depending on your preference. I like blackstrap molasses, but right now I only have some honey, so I'm going to show you how much honey you want to put in there. So you know we got that organic raw honey. So I usually just put like 1 spoon of it in there. That's all you really need. And from the research I've done, they say older people shouldn't use honey because it can instantly clog up your arteries close to your heart. And many reports have been documented of older people having a heart attack right after drinking some tea or something, and the autopsy shows that their heart got clogged by the last thing they ate, and the honey was a common denominator for all that. So it's a little jewel I got from somebody, so I'm gonna pass on the jewel to you. But the tea is ready to drink. You see how the sea moss is kind of just floating all within it, and only fresh sea moss gel does this. If you have frozen sea moss gel, it won't do that. The frozen sea moss gel that's been thawed out will mix with the water, but after everything stops stirring, the sea moss all sinks to the bottom, which is not cool. So always use fresh sea moss gel, never frozen or thawed out, fresh. All right, I'm gonna get to my little breakfast. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. And check out AXUMOS.com, AXUMOSS.com, Google AXUMUS, Google AXUMOSS, and our website will pop up. And we'll see you next time. Deuces.